Hello and welcome to a new short video about a new feature in SharePoint. In SharePoint Listen Libraries, we have now the opportunity to create directly a workflow. Yes, you have heard correctly, a workflow, but these workflows based on the Power Automate platform. I want to show to you the new feature. For example, in a document library, but you have the same functionality available in SharePoint List. I go here to the three dots and open the action menu. And then we find the new menu item workflow. I select this menu item and then the new pop-up comes up. In this dialog, I can choose to create a workflow based on any of the available templates or from scratch. This is similar to the template that we have in Power Automate already. For example, I can use a template to create a workflow to inform me every time when an item is created in the library or when a SharePoint item is modified by an email. For all three scenarios, we have different templates available, and you can choose an available template to start building your workflow. And then you can customize the template, or you can create your own workflow from scratch. Then you can choose to create a new one with this button here. The first thing that you have to define is a trigger. You have different types of triggers available. For example, you can use a scheduler. This trigger activates your workflow by defined scheduling. Or you can use, for example, the trigger when a new file is available in a SharePoint library, or when a new email arrived, or we have also a trigger for chats in team channels. As a quick example, I choose now the file and list elements trigger. I choose here the trigger when a file is changed in a library. After that, I can choose the site. That's very handy because I started from a SharePoint library in a specific site, but I can choose another site from here. This means I can create a workflow for another library from here. That's very handy. Then after I have defined the trigger, I must define the actions. We have a lot of actions available from here. For example, you can post something to a Teams channel, or you can create tasks, or you can start approval process. In this example, I use the email send action from the category send email to send an email when the file is changed. We have some placeholders available for the email content. That's great. This means I can use, for example, the file name inside the email message. So try it out. It's very easy and it's available in SharePoint. It's available in SharePoint List and Libraries. Now you can start your workflow from here very easy. And at the end, when you have saved it, you will find your created workflow in Power Automate. You can go to Power Automate and then you can also change and extend your workflow in Power Automate directly.